Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Moana. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start with the curve up, and the same thing over on the right side. And then from the end, let's curve it down slightly like this. Next, we're going to hop on top and we're going to draw a curve out and flick it up at the end. And then curve it back down. And color these in black. Next, we're going to hop underneath and we're going to draw a curve down and back up. Now let's hop in and let's draw a circle on the top left. And then an oval behind in the center. And color these in black. And lastly, for each eye, let's draw a curve on top. And that's it for the eyes. Next, we're going to hop down and we're going to draw the shape of the face. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw an angle down. And then curve it down to the center for the chin. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the nose with a small curve. And a curve underneath for the mouth. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. Then bring it up in the center and curve it back out. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a V shape like this. And then a small zigzag line out on both sides. Next, we're going to draw a wavy line down and curve it out like this. And then one more going down and in. And then underneath, let's draw a curve down and back into the face for the ears. Now let's hop back on top and continue drawing the hair. Let's start on top of the center and let's draw a curve up and bring it over to the right. And then continue it with a wavy line down like this. Now let's move back up to the center and let's draw a curve over. Then start at the hairline and another curve over to the left. And then let's hop in and let's draw another wavy line down on the left side. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw a curved line on the left and a few on the right side. And then one more curve on top in the center. And that's it for the hair for now. We'll come back to it after we finish drawing the body. Let's hop underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides for the neck. And then let's bring it out for the shoulders. Now let's hop down underneath and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then bring it down and a wavy line across the bottom. And then a curve across the top. Now from the shoulders, let's angle it down. And then another angle underneath. Next, we're going to hop back in and we're going to draw the necklace. We'll start with 2 curved lines down, meeting at a point. And then add a few circles on top. Now at the end of the necklace, let's draw an oval shape with a curved line at the top. And that's it for the necklace. Now let's add some details to the shirt. Let's draw a curved line across at the bottom. And then an angled line behind the necklace. And then 2 more on top. Next, we're going to hop down and we're going to draw 2 small lines down for the waist. And then a curve across. Now for the skirt, let's curve it out on both sides. And a curve across at the bottom. Now before we add some details to the skirt, let's move back up and finish drawing the arms. From the inside line, let's bring it in and curve it down, and the same on the right side. Now top out and let's draw a curve down and another curve out at the ends. Now to add the fingers, let's hop up and we're going to draw a line out, down, and then bring it back in. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and let's draw some details to the skirt. Inside on the top left, let's draw a square shape. And then a curve underneath. And 2 longer ones on the right. And close each of these off at the bottom. Now on the right, let's draw a curve over. And then a longer one underneath. And add 2 more curves inside. Now top down and let's draw an angle down and another one on the left. And then curve these out towards the sides. Now top down and underneath the left side, let's draw a V-shaped point down and then 2 on the right. And then add some diagonal lines inside and then going the other way. Now for the next tier of the skirt, let's draw a point up and down on the left, and again curve it outwards. Then underneath on the left, let's draw another larger V-shaped point, and then 3 on the right side. And again, let's add the diagonal pattern inside. And lastly, for the skirt, inside at the bottom, let's draw some lines going upwards. And that's it for the skirt. Now top down and let's add the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down underneath on the left and 2 on the right. Now from the outside, let's bring it out and then curve it down and out for the heels. And close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the body. Now let's move back up and let's finish drawing the hair. From both sides, let's continue the wavy line down. And then from the ends, let's curve it back in. And then continue it up with another wavy line stopping here. And then from the end, another wavy line down, like this. And lastly at the bottom, let's draw another set of curves back in to close off the bottom of the hair. And that's it for Moana. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!